Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. This is Nyla, and today I am showing a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. Beautiful, beautiful paint job on it. Like a red orange. Looks different in the sunlight versus the shade, but either way, it's a great paint job. Automatic transmission. It's got a 396 in it. It is a two-door, but a four-seater. Black leather interior. Super duper clean in here. Got the original dash. Might be an updated radio, but it's the classic style, so it doesn't look like it's updated, which is really cool. They have all kinds of things you can do now to keep the classic look, but give it the updated sound. But just beautiful inside and out. Super, super clean. I'm gonna follow this video up with a video of the engine bay with the engine started. We'll take it for a spin down the road, and then we will take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned.
Dog. Oh boy. Red, right, and ready on this bad boy, I gotta tell you.
That's right.
So we just got this car from a customer who had also has a 67 here, Nyla.
Okay.
But this car he kind of used as his driver. His wife didn't like the really loud, abusive type cars, so I have his 66 is a 4-speed. This is a Tremec 4-speed overdrive transmission, and so this car is a real highway car. You can take this car wherever you want and not have 3,000 RPMs going 40 miles an hour.
Right.
She has a big block, 396, red, right, and ready, power steering, power brakes. I mean, look at this thing.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
great.
this is what everybody wants. Got the Flowmaster hood on it.
It's an easy driver, automatic.
Oh yeah. So I thought we'd take it for a quick little spin, let it shift itself out real good, and then we'd get up on the hoist so we can show off the bottom of the car.
Okay.
But when you walk around the car too, it's really kind of nice, is that it has a little rumble to it, and it does have some pretty good air conditioning. It is vintage air.
Okay.
She blows pretty darn cold for her age. So power steering, power brakes, big block, air conditioning, red. This adds up to someone's bucket list, I'm sure.
I'm sure.
So we'll go ahead and run her down the road again and then get underneath it, okay?
Sounds good.